Sharing with you an excellent question based on logarithmic equations. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are taking a very good question based on logarithms IVHL math test. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. The question before us is the function h of x is equal to log to the base 4x, g of x is log to the base 1 over 4x. X is greater than 1. The solution of h of x minus 1 over h of x is g of x. And this can be written as x equals to 4 to the power of 1 over square root b. Find the value of b. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and posting excellent comments. Thanks for your time. Now, let's look into the solution of the question given to us. It says, solution of h of x minus 1 over h of x is equal to g of x. H of x is given to us as log to the base 4x. 1 over h of x will be 1 over log to the base 4 of x. G of x is log to the base 1 over 4x, correct? So we need to basically find the solution of this particular equation, right? So what we can do is 1 over 4 is not to the base 4, so we could rewrite that, which should be like what? So let's say log to the power of 4x minus 1 over log to the base 4x equals 2. Now if I want to change this base to 4, then it can be written as log to the base 4x over log to the base 4 of 1 over 4, right? So let's rewrite. So we have now log to the base 4x minus 1 over log to the base 4x equals 2. Now the denominator, which is 4, 1 over 4, is negative 1, right? So I could write this as negative log to the base 4 of x, right? Now let's bring log to the base 4 of x on the left side. So we get log to the base 4 of x plus log to the base 4 of x equals to 1 over log to the base 4 of x. Now this is 2 log 4x, right? And we have 1 over log to the base 4 of x. Now we have to solve this particular equation, right? How are you going to solve? That is going to give us the answer. Perfect. So I'd like you to now pause the video and complete the solution. Perfect. Let me take this to the next page. So we have 2 log to the base 4 of x equals to 1 over log to the base 4 of x, right? So we have 2 log to the base 4 of x equals to 1 over log to the base 4 of x, right? Now since we are looking for a solution in this form, x equals to 4 to the power of something, so base 4 is correct. Now we have to work out that power, right? 1 over square root b. So that gives us an idea that there should be something like square, right? So I'll cross multiply. Now this is a very strategic step. So I'll do log to the base 4 of x times log to the base 4 of x equals to 1 over 2, right? So which basically is log to the base 4 of x whole square is equal to 1 over 2. Makes sense? So this is a very critical step because of which the question is slightly difficult, right? Now it is simpler. We'll do square root, right? And as soon as you do square root, you get log to the base 4 of x equals to 1 over square root 2. And now write it in exponential form. X equals to 4 to the power of 1 over square root 2. So if you compare this with 4 to the power of 1 over square root b, you can clearly see that b is equal to 2, correct? So b equals to 2 is our solution. Perfect. So that is how we get it. So I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Also, you can contact me directly on the email address globalmathinstitute@gmail.com and learn. We can be part of your success story. Thank you and all the best.